Can you imagine being able to tell an AI to animate you running right there next to the lion from this image? Look, it's crazy. It's insane what you can actually do with this artificial intelligence. Let's check it out. What's up, Kibron? We're back with a new video on artificial intelligence. Honestly, it's a new video featuring an AI that's going to get people talking. Because the truth is that... Whoa, how's it going? How does this AI that I'm bringing you today work? I'm telling you, I'm going to show you a tool that's been making a lot of noise lately. It's called PixVerse. It's an AI that literally converts text or photos into videos in just a few seconds. And we're going to prove it. I'm serious. And the best part is that it has a free version that you can do quite a lot with. The video I'm making today will be totally free, so you can see it. In this video, I'll explain step by step how it works, what you can do without paying a cent, and at the end, I'll give you some tips so your first videos turn out well. So if that sounds good, let's get to it. It could turn out quite beautiful. Before we dive right into the platform, let me give you some quick context. PixVerse is a company dedicated to generative video artificial intelligence research. In other words, it's not just an app. It's an entire company building its own models. And it's already on version 6. And they also have a real-time model. And what exactly does it do? You give it a text instruction, a prompt, and upload an image. And the AI generates a short video from that. Like I said, we're going to try it right now, and you'll see how it works and what it can do in just a moment, in a matter of seconds. It can animate a photo, create a scene from scratch, dub voices with lip sync, or even generate several shots of a story automatically. Basically, it's like having an animation and effects studio in your browser, I'm telling you, so let's check it out. Well, here it is, quite simple and quite fast. Intuitive, I'd say, so you can see it and have context for what I want to explain. Look, everything we can do is pretty easy. Here, for example, you can put an image, you can put text, and it animates it directly. You can do, like I said, text to video, you write what you want to see, and it does it. Image to video, which is what we're going to try today. You upload a photo and animate it with whatever you ask. You have templates here too, okay? There are templates that would be paid and so on. Prompts already made, already set up. You click it and that's it, okay? Multi-shot to create several connected shots, like a mini movie, for example. As I said, let's try it out and see how it goes. I'll upload a photo and ask it to make a video and see what you think. So let's give it a try, okay? I've just put an image here and let's put in, I don't know, content I want to create. Well, make me dancing with a flower in each hand. I don't know. Maybe just something quick like that, okay? Maybe something quick and simple. Come on, let's hit create and see what it creates for us, what it does, okay? The video, well, you see, it doesn't take that long. Look, 7%, so it's going at a speed that's quite fast for what actually happens sometimes, right? With these artificial intelligences that spend ages and ages and ages thinking, not this one, look, we're at 34% already in just a moment, so this is wonderful. It's going like a rocket. Wait, it looks like it's already created. This is crazy, Kieran's. What it just did. How? I love it. I love it. It's incredible. Look how easy that was. Imagine if the prompt you use is well explained. Everything you want. Everything, the background, everything super well explained. You can really do some crazy things. And now the question that you all want to know, and that is the most interesting one, of course. What can I do without paying? The free account gives you limited credits every so often. They usually renew daily. Okay? Depending on the promotions active at the time. As I said, currently they give you 60 credits every day. With these credits, you can generate short text to video and image to video clips like I did today, which was totally free. Try different styles, realistic, anime, 3D. Use various pre-designed templates. Experiment with the basic editing features. But watch out, there are real limitations in the free plan, of course. These people have to earn their money too. The videos have a PixVerse watermark. You also have a limited number of generations, so it's not unlimited. The most advanced features like the newest models, higher resolution, or longer generation are usually reserved for paid plans. Even so, to learn how the tool works, you can do tests or create casual content for social media. The free plan is perfectly sufficient for that. I'd recommend starting like that, okay? Get a good handle on writing your prompts and, well, only if you're getting a lot out of it, think about paying. I'm gonna give you the tips I promised at the beginning of the video, okay? Before closing, I'll give you 3 quick tips so you don't waste your free credits on failed attempts. First tip, write your prompts in English. If possible, the AI understands instructions better in English, even if the interface is in Spanish. Tip 2, be specific with the camera and the action. It's not the same to say a dog running as it is to say cinematic shot, slow motion, a dog running on the beach at sunset. The more detail, the better the result will be. Third tip, if you're going to create several scenes that need to look similar, use the seed or character reference function. This helps your videos not look random compared to each other. And that's basically PixVerse Kbron, a tool for creating video with artificial intelligence from text or images with a free plan that lets you experiment quite a bit before thinking about paying. If you want, basically leave me a like if this video has been helpful to you. And as I said, if you want me to try other similar artificial intelligence tools, well, share them with me in the comments and I'll explain everything and compare them. Tell me, as I said, in the comments, okay? See you in the next video. You know, I'm Kbron and I'm here to serve you.